So today, as you can see, I'm going to do another collage. And this time I'm kind of inspired by this whole Austin Martin 2-page spread in a magazine that I got out of Dubai. And I like the colors. And I'm just going to play around with some cutouts and kind of figure out how I want to, begin this project. Yeah, it's always a struggle in the beginning. I've already kind of sketched out on the canvas kind of what I want to collage, but I'm just going to right now take the acrylic gel medium. I use a silk matte finish because I don't want it too shiny. This is a local brand that I buy here, but you know what? Liquitex carries something very similar. And I'm going to apply the acrylic gel over top of the entire canvas and take away any yuckies. Yeah, that's gross. Basically, I just want to kind of apply it over top of the canvas, stick some paper down to it because I kind of want to cover the whole canvas. I don't want any canvas showing through before I start to collage my image. That's just the way I started. I'm sure there's many ways to do this, but this is how I do it. Then once I have the entire canvas covered, I'll trim off any excess, and then I'm just going to let this dry and take the dog for a walk. Okay, so now that I'm back from taking the dog for a walk, I'm going to start with creating the hair. Now, this is a leather jacket, if I'm not mistaken, that I remember cutting out of a magazine. You'll note that, yes, I am creating hair, but I'm not using images of hair. Like I didn't cut out a picture of a woman out of a magazine, snip out her hair and make hair. I actually take, pieces of anything out of book, paper, magazine, scrap paper, flyer, mail, doesn't matter, in a black color scheme because I want her to have dark hair. I just cut out little images or patterns and I make the shape of the hair. And that's how I do it. This is just me sticking down some of the edges, curl them over and let that dry while I continue to work on this because I actually am stalling and don't know what to do next. But I'm thinking I'm going to do the butterfly. So same process as the hair. I cut out a bunch of images, patterns, whatever I could get my hands on in like a cobalt blue, teal, greenish, turquoisey color to try to make the butterfly. I'm actually not using a butterfly. In fact, this is a swimming pool. I'm going to use some of the swimming pool, the floor of the swimming pool, the bottom of the swimming pool, to make the, the spine of the butterfly, the insecty part, not the wings. Yeah, I don't know the anatomy of a butterfly. And I'm sure one of my subscribers will be more than happy to tell me in the comments below what this is called, but at the moment, I do not know what it is. And that's basically it. It's a very simple process. I love the creativity, and I've read somewhere that, being creative can ward off dementia. So instead of doing Sudoku puzzles, I've decided that I'm going to work on collage. Okay, and now I feel like I'm just like rambling on about absolutely nothing because anything I have to say from here on out probably adds zero value. But if there's anything that you have questions about my process or my approach or comments, please put them in the comments below. I always answer every single comment that I get. Happy to guide you, answer any questions that you may have. Oh, one thing before I go though. You might notice this is why I cover the entire canvas first with just random pieces of paper because I'm actually going to go over the whole thing. And I just don't want any canvas exposed, showing through that I may have forgotten. So at least now I'm confident no matter what I do on the canvas, there is never going to be any canvas showing through. Anyway, bye for now, and I'll see you at the end. All right, maybe I can provide some more value add here. So this is Indian Yellow. It's a high flow fluid acrylic by ColourArte. And I just mix it with water, and so that's really, really runny. And I'm going to do like a wash over the background because I'll be honest with you, I find this really boring and I don't love it. Like, I mean, the only thing that's got any color on it is a butterfly. And another thing, maybe it's a little bit of OCD on my side, but I don't like the non-cohesiveness of the colored background. Like how I've got like some random like pink and stuff in there. Like I like that, but I don't like it against the white, and I don't know. And all the whites are different colors. It bugs me. So I'm just going to, do a wash over top. I'm just going to let that dry. And then once it's dry, I'm going to outline her in a Signal white acrylic pen. I like to do that too. I find it accentuates kind of the outline of the image when I do this. And I do this on pretty much every piece I've ever done, which is 4 or 5, not a lot. And on that note, please let me know in the comments below what you think. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now.